The theory in which reformation is based upon on the ground that the criminal is a sick person. A. Positivist theory. B. Classical theory. C. Neoclassical theory. D. Sociological theory. Answer A. Positivist theory. Any act committed or omitted in violation of a public law forbidding or commanding it. A. Legal act. B. Crime. C. Pena. D. Punishment. Answer B. Crime. A rule of conduct, just, obligatory, enacted by legitimate authority for the common observance and benefit. A. Regulation. B. City ordinance. C. Law. D. Lawful act. Answer C. Law. The so-called forgotten person in the criminal justice process. A. Police. B. Criminal. C. Judge. D. Victim. Answer D. Victim. The term used to refer to the putting of a person to jail or prison by reason of service of sentence. A. Imprisonment. B. Confinement. C. Reformation. D. All of this. Answer A. Imprisonment. The knowledge acquired by the investigator from various sources. A. Intelligence. B. Information. C. Surveillance. D. All of this. Answer A. Intelligence. It is the Latin term referring to caught in the act of performing a crime. A. Nullum crimen. B. Dura lex sed lex. C. Ignorantia liges non excusat. D. None of this. Answer D. None of this. A system of coordinated activities, a group of people, authority and leadership and cooperation towards a goal is called A. Formal organizations. B. Informal organizations. C. Police administration. D. All of the above. Answer A. Formal organizations. The study of the processes and conditions of the law enforcement pillar that is also called police in action. A. Police management. B. Police organization. C. Organizational structure. D. Police administration. Answer D. Police administration. An indefinite and unstructured organization that has no definite subdivision and composed of unconscious group feelings, passions, and activities of individuals are referred to as A. Formal organizations. B. Informal organizations. C. Police administration. D. None of this. Answer B. Informal organizations.